me always, Papi. You're bullying me always. Why are you like that? We're friends here. Yeah, you are. We're friends, Papi. You know, we're friends. You know that we're friends. Mr. Yoso, hello. Why? Why maybe? You're always bullying me. When I go to Michi's live. Hi, Jericho. Thank you for follow, Ajos. How are you, Papi? How are you? Long time no see. Nor hello. How are you, Papi? The only thing I say whatever. Yes, you always say to me whatever, Ray. You always say to me that. You'll always say to me whatever, Ray. Whatever. No. Why are you like that? Hi, 69. We're friends, Papi. We're friends here. I'm your friend. How are you, Papi? Long time no see. Long time no see, Papi. How are you? 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 Hi, Brown King. Doing great. How about you? I'm also doing great, Papi. Doing so much great. Hi, Rolando. I'm doing great also. So much. Yeah. So great. I'm doing so great. You know. I'm just happy now. I'm happy, you know. I need to be happy. Yeah, thank you, Papi. Hi, J Mark. You don't smell too great. Wow, no, Papi. I smell great, you know. Why you like that? Why you say I don't smell too great? Oh my god, Papi. Oh my god. Hi, ID number level 56. 58. Why? Why are you saying like those word? I'm smelling balut. Oh, ah, oh, balut. Why balut?